In this video, we plan to demonstrate some of the core functionalities of our application, Omega Meal. Let's start with the Sign Up button. If I click on Sign Up, I will be redirected to this Cognito page where I can enter an email and a password. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will use an existing account. In this case, I will choose this one and I would sign in. After we are signed in, we are redirected back to the landing page of Omega Meal. Let's start with a search term, say salad. I can select the price level here with this drop down, say $2 symbols, and I can also select the rating, greater or equal to say 3.5. Click on search, give it a bit of time, and we will be seeing some results as below. So each row represents a restaurant, and we can see that on the right hand side we have a health score attached to each restaurant. If I click on the health score, our machine learning model will take the image that this restaurant gives us, combine that with some manually labeled labels to give a prediction score of how healthy this restaurant could be. In this case, is 84%. Let's try the second one. This, judging from the photo, does look slightly less healthy than the first one, so we can see that 33% is indeed less than 84%. Next up, we would like to showcase the favorite list functionality. So by default, when you sign up for an account, each user will receive an empty favorite list. Since this is an existing account, we already have some restaurants added to this user's favorite list. We can do that by clicking on the heart icon next to the health score button. For example, I have added Riverview East into my favorite list. Let's try another search query. For example, pizza. We give it a bit of time to load up the results, and then again we can try the real-time analysis of the image and about how healthy this restaurant could be. So if I click on the health score of Michael and Son's Pizza and Italian food, we can see that 28% is indeed quite low. We can also click on Frank's Pizza, and we can see it gives a slightly higher score, but also in the unhealthy category. Lastly, we would like to showcase the follow favorite list functionality. So as we plan to build a community of healthy eaters around the application, we give the users an option to enter your friend's user ID, which in this case would be an email, and then we can click on follow, and then you will be able to see a read-only view of your friend's favorite list. This could be important and could be useful if you wanted to, say, cross-compare what you like and what he or she likes, in this case your friend. So if I click on Ian, I can go to Ian's favorite list and see that we have some restaurants in common but some not. You can use this feature to discover new restaurants. For example, Tokyo Hampton, I didn't realize this restaurant was something I might like, but now I could add it to my favorite list. Again, by clicking on the heart icon. Some further things and further improvements we might do to our project include caching the health scores for faster loading the next time you click on a health score, instead of every time analyzing the health score from scratch. Also, we plan to incorporate a user ID suggestion. When you type a user ID, we can have a drop-down of suggestions of your friend's user ID. With that said, this wraps up our presentation and our demonstration. Thank you for listening.